5 is AnkerMake M5 3D printer. With the AnkerMake M5 3D printer, your firearm printing game has an upgrade. This machine has features that ensure you get the best print quality and fast. With a precise 0.1 mm detail, you can be sure your firearm's components will be accurate and reliable. The PowerBoost 2.0 technology is one of the standout features of the M5, which allows for a 30% increase in power release compared to its predecessor. This, combined with the upgraded 500 mm per second speed, makes the printing process incredibly fast without sacrificing the print's quality. The precise 0.1 mm detail ensures that every firearm component is accurate and reliable. The M5 also features an error detection system with an intelligent camera and extra processing power to detect real-time errors. This system is beneficial, as it can prevent dangerous malfunctions by automatically pausing the print. The integrated die-cast aluminum alloy structure ensures the printer's stability even when printing at high speeds, reducing the chances of installation errors and improving printer accuracy. So if you buy an excellent 3D printer, check the link in the description box. That's all from us in today's video. I hope you appreciated this overview of the best 3D printer for guns. If you like any of these best 3D printers, then check out the link provided in the description box below to purchase them right now. Thanks for watching. And please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more amazing upcoming videos.